His name is Sufi Altaf Bhatt, a peace worker and a proud Indian. He is from Kashmir. Walking hand in hand with time. He grew up with many ups and downs and made many sacrifices. In 2010, he started his peace walk from Kashmir to Mumbai to make people aware about the conditions in which the Kashmiris were living. While doing deeds for humanity, he felt the urge to do something for animals, especially dogs. Because many dogs in our society still struggle to live. As they are neither adopted nor given shelter, they are ignored and not even fed properly. Most of them are helpless.
What is the role of stray dogs in our society?
Scavenging, role as a scavenger, and for security. These are the main two purposes of any kind of stray animal in the society. They scavenge all waste products that the society generates, and dogs especially provide security to any society that they live in. They're one of the best loyal security services that you can get.
Do you think sterilization is the only option to eliminate stray dogs?
No, not exactly. Yes, to some extent it is. But not all should be sterilized. If all has to be sterilized, in a day or two there will be no more dogs. The world is beautiful because of the animals, the birds, everything, including us. So if we have got the right to live, why not them?
What is your opinion on how people treat street dogs?
There are two type of people. There are some of kind of mean people who try to hit dogs, or they mistreat the stray dogs. They don't like stray dogs. And some of the people, they love animals, but they don't know how to pet them or how to treat them, or if they will come nearby if the dog bites. There are few people, they mistreat them. Some like cruelty cases. We do most of the cruelty cases in Navi, Mumbai. There are few type of people also who loves them, and most of the nowadays in Navi, Mumbai, most of the new generation people are adopting strays. That's the main part.
There are many organizations and associations taking efforts to help the dogs to live a peaceful life. These organizations have rescued dogs from very tragic and bowed down conditions. The most heartbreaking cases came from animal abuse and accidents. Let's lend a helping hand towards Sufis and other animal lovers dream of helping these aphonic creatures. They need care, they need support, they need love.